Motive for Murder movie world premiere at Cannes Film Festival. Red carpet and screening on May 17, 6:15 p.m. at Palais. Mohan Vadlapatla, director and producer, along with M4M movie heroine Jo Sharma from USA, walked on the red carpet and screened M4M movie at Cannes.
Hi everyone, I'm at Cannes. Thank you, M4M representation screening here. Jo Sharma at Cannes from United States. Thank you, Mohan Vadlapatla garu. Thank you.
The sequel coming.
Oh.
To know what's gonna happen.
I think it was beautiful. Very good.
So
It's great. I loved it.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Yes, fantastic.
Very good.
I would like
It
to
was
know.
amazing. You did great.
Thank
well done.
you.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Bermuda. United States, from Florida and New York. Germany.
United States, New York.
Germany and Sweden.
United States, New York. United States, Pennsylvania.
United States, California.
United States, Los Angeles. I love the movie. It was awesome. I had a great time. I'm also Henry. I love the movie as well. Izzy, I love the movie.
I love the music.
I love the director, the actors. I love the style of having a movie like this with the music and the sound, and it's really well done. Your acting was fabulous, Joe.
It was great. Such good suspense, and you acted really well.
Very intriguing. I didn't know who the killer was until the end.
It went by so fast. Like honestly, like the pace was really good.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, we loved it.
Thank you.
Amazing.
I cannot take the eyes of the movie.
From Hungary, love it, good luck. And for M4M.
Actually, I would like to see the hand.
So which country you're from?
Italy.
Italy.
M4M, Argentina.
Yay, Argentina. M4M. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Tracy from the United Kingdom. It's amazing. I couldn't guess the killer. Good luck. M for M. Motive for Murder. It's a good one.
Very nice, and congratulations to you. All the best.
Maria, France. It was very much a trailer, and it was like very suspension.
Your performance very much. You did a fantastic job. Good movie.
I will come to Germany and I will be delighted to support it. It's there. Yeah, wonderful.